In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a deal in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so you can confidently add new deals and keep your sales pipeline up to date. This is especially helpful if you're managing opportunities, tracking revenue, or collaborating with the sales team inside Zoho. First, open your web browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with the right user profile, especially if your company uses different roles or permissions. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main Zoho CRM interface. This is your central hub where you can manage leads, contacts, accounts, and of course, deals. Next, look for the Deals module in the top navigation bar. Depending on your screen size or your organization setup, it might appear directly as Deals, or it might be grouped under the Sales section. Click on Deals to open your Deals dashboard. Here, you'll usually see your existing deals in a list or Kanban view, organized by stages like qualification, proposal, or close one. Now, to add a new deal, find the button that says Create Deal, usually located near the top right corner of the Deals page. Click on Create Deal and a new form will open. This is where you'll enter all the key information for your opportunity. Take a moment to carefully fill in the deal details. Start with a clear, descriptive deal name so you and your team can recognize it at a glance. Add the associated account or contact if your Zoho is set up that way, so the deal is linked to the right customer. Enter the expected amount or deal value, the closing date, and choose the appropriate stage in your sales pipeline. If there are any required fields marked with an asterisk, make sure those are completed, or Zoho won't let you save the deal. You can also use this time to add extra context, such as the type of deal, the lead source, or any notes that might help in follow-up. The more accurate your information is now, the more useful your reports and forecasts will be later. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details, scroll to